Hey everyone, I'm Mokshith, co-founder and CEO of Sieve, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our product and get started in just a few minutes. So you could scroll through our landing page to learn more about the company, or you can more importantly click on our documentation where you can learn to use our REST API. Everything from authentication to submitting data or even querying and exporting that data can be found here through our REST API. But more importantly today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our visual dashboard, which you can think of almost as a wrapper to our REST API. So you see the API key at the top, you see that it's a valid one, and that there's one project here called demo project. First thing I might do is upload videos. I actually have a bucket with a bunch of sample videos that I can copy paste just for this. If you want to submit data more securely to Sieve, you might sign these URLs on AWS or GCP before you send it to us. And now I could click upload video, or I can copy paste this REST API command into my terminal and see what the response is. Here it actually looks like I submitted this video already, so it'll return this as a description. But if you submitted data to a new project, you will get a successful response. So we can close this. Now we can query for whatever we'd like. Say I want to query for all the frames with motion. And run that, and I get my result back. Maybe I'll click on a frame I'm interested in. I can zoom in, and I can see all the metadata associated with this frame. Cross this out, and maybe I'm interested in something a lot more specific. Maybe I'm interested in there being two people in the frame being one with greenery, and one where the lighting is fair. I can run this query, and I get the results back. Say I want to export this, I can click here. Let's call this sample query 1. And I can create a job to export. Now I can click close, and I'll click on this tab here where I can see a bunch of stats about the project. For example, we see the total frames, we see the number of videos we submitted, how many of these frames have motion, and more. We can see all the videos we'd submitted, all the metadata associated with this project. This is a very simple project with not that much metadata, but you can request a lot of different types of metadata from us depending on what data you're working with. So here you see the exports. You see the one that we just submitted, which is still processing, so maybe we'll click refresh. And wow, it's done already. So we can click download. I could copy paste this into the terminal, and this will download all the raw images from the query I just submitted as a zip. So you could also download all the image metadata depending on how you want to work with this, but this is returning all the information pertinent to my query. So we're downloading, and soon enough, we'll actually be able to finish that download and see all the data in this folder, which it's being extracted to. So just finished downloading. I can click here. I can see some of these frames. So here's one, two people, lighting being fair, and there being greenery. Here's another one. So we were able to actually extract the 2,883 frames in our project from the total 275,000 that satisfy our query. From raw video all the way to the exact images that you'd like. That's how Sieve works. That simple. If you're interested, please reach out, but thanks for listening.